Hello, fellow! Today I'm going to show you how to blend chalk to make smooth chalk art like this. Not only is it smooth, but it also sticks to the sidewalk better and lasts longer. It can still be washed away by the rain, but it'll usually survive through a rainstorm or two before it fully washes away. Step 1. Clean your area. Dirt can make your picture look muddy. Step 2. Have your supplies ready. You will need chalk or chalk pastels. I'm using regular chalk because it's cheaper. A bucket or a bowl full of water. Paintbrushes of various sizes. I recommend getting the super cheap brushes because the sidewalk might ruin your bristles if you make chalk art often. And some charcoal. Charcoal specifically for art is best, but charcoal used for grilling is cheap and works for chalk art too. Step 3. Draw the outline of your art. You can use any color of chalk, but I like to use white because it blends easier with every color and it's not as noticeable when adding the other colors. Step 4. Get a large paintbrush wet and paint the area you want to color with water. Then, color over the wet area with the color of your choice. To make gradients, you can color with 2 shades of each color and blend them using the method in the next step. Step 5. Using a wet brush, paint over the chalk with water to turn the chalk into a paste-like texture. Repeat adding chalk and water until your chalk paste is as thick as you desire. Step 6. Repeat step 5 for the rest of your picture until your entire art piece is colored with exception of any black areas in your picture. Step 7. With a clean wet brush, paint water on the lines of your picture. Go over the wet lines with charcoal and then paint over it again with your wet brush to make the charcoal look smooth and dark like ink. Step 8. Color in any areas of your art that require black for coloring, using the same technique as the coloring and blending with the chalk. Always color with black last. If you try to do the black line art or the coloring first, you can ruin your chalk art while trying to blend the other colors. Step 9. Wait for your art piece to dry before taking a picture. If you do make an art piece and you take a picture of it, feel free to show it to me. I would love to see it. Thanks for watching. I upload videos every Monday, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful watermelon week.